For years, Ethiopia was known mainly for its history, culture, and agriculture. But today, something is changing. Companies and investors around the world are starting to look at Ethiopia differently. Billions are moving into industries, infrastructure, technology, and energy. But why is the world paying attention to Ethiopia? Ethiopia is one of Africa's most important countries. With more than 120 million people, a young population, and a strategic location in East Africa, Ethiopia has become a country many investors are watching. The country is trying to transform its economy by expanding manufacturing technology and infrastructure. One of Ethiopia's biggest advantages is its population. A young workforce creates opportunities for businesses looking for new places to grow. Factories, companies, and technology businesses need people. And Ethiopia has millions of young workers entering the economy. Investment is not only about people. Ethiopia has been building the foundation needed for economic growth. Industrial parks, transportation projects, airports, and energy developments are designed to support new industries. The goal is to make Ethiopia a place where products are created, not only exported. Ethiopia is also entering a digital transformation. Mobile payments, financial technology, and digital services are growing quickly. Technology is creating new opportunities for businesses and changing how people work and connect. Investors look for countries with future potential. Ethiopia offers a large market, strategic location, and opportunities in many sectors. From manufacturing to technology, from agriculture to energy, the country has many areas where growth is possible. But becoming an economic power is not automatic. Ethiopia still faces challenges including infrastructure needs and creating a stronger business environment. The future will depend on how successfully the country turns its opportunities into real results. The world is watching Ethiopia's next chapter. If you enjoy documentaries about Ethiopia's economy, technology, and future, subscribe for more videos. What do you think? Can Ethiopia become one of Africa's next economic powers? Thanks for watching.